Integrating Authorize Net Customer Information Manager (CIM) into your e-commerce platform allows you to store sensitive customer information securely and simplify the checkout process for returning customers. To get started, you will need to create an Authorize Net account and obtain an API login ID and transaction key. First step is to download the Authorize Net CIM API guide and review the requirements for integrating CIM into your platform. Familiarize yourself with key concepts such as customer profiles, payment profiles, and shipping addresses. Understand how to create, update, and delete these profiles using the CIM API. Next, you will need to generate a token for each customer that will be used to authenticate and authorize transactions. This token is obtained by sending a Create Customer Profile request to the CIM API. The request includes customer information such as name, email, and payment details. Once you have obtained the token, you can use it to create a payment profile which includes the customer's payment information. You can also create a shipping address profile which includes the customer's shipping information. Both of these profiles can be associated with the customer profile using the token. To process a transaction using CIM, you will need to send a transaction request to the Authorize Net API. The request includes the token and the amount of the transaction. Authorize Net will then use the stored payment information to process the transaction. Best practice is to handle errors and exceptions properly. Make sure to catch and handle any errors that occur during the integration process. Also ensure that you are complying with PCI DSS requirements when handling sensitive customer information. In conclusion, integrating Authorize Net CIM into your e-commerce platform can help to improve the checkout experience for your customers and reduce the risk of sensitive information being compromised. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate CIM into your platform and start processing transactions securely.